Spin a disc.
What's good, family? How you guys doing? How you guys keeping? Welcome back to the Blessed Review, son. Trust you guys are doing okay. Nah, man, today we got holy, man. What are we gonna do with you? What are we gonna do with you, my boy? Man, you better come talk to your big brother, man. Come talk to me, man. Come talk to me. Come talk to me, bro. Now you'll be saying you have never loved Kimberley. You ain't never loved Kimberley? Is that what you're telling me? And now you also be saying you only went for Kimberley to spite votes? To spite votes, son? That's the only reason why you got Kimberley? That's the only reason why you married her? Man, what you talking about, man? Man, you talking crazy. Come talk to me, man. Come talk to me. What is happening, man? What's going on, boy? What she do to you? What she do to you, my guy? You know what I mean? Anyway, bro, I don't even know what's going on, man. If you feel some type of way, put it down in the comment section, son. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Let's just watch this whole fiasco unfold, son.
With Kimberley, I think it was just to spite votes.
With Kimberley? It was just to spite votes? Votes?
That's the honest truth.
My guy, what are you saying here?
That's the honest truth. I can't lie.
Jeez.
I can't lie. And that's the honest truth. And my guys are here, they'll tell you the truth.
So
I know.
You don't. Do you love Kimberley?
I fell in love along the way.
Okay?
Yeah.
Along the way.
But I can't lie to you. Like my guys were told Panaba and they'll tell you. Now more than ever, I've been holy ten. I think that's a good joke.
Yeah.
I ndakanyinga vote. Ndakanyinga Kimberley.
Okay. Trust me, this one is going to be like, I don't know. Oh, yo.
I only have a slip of the tongue.
Okay, and
bro.
wakanyanga.
My gangsters are not
Right, wakanyanga Kimberley.
Ndakanyinga Kim. Ngosotesa votes.
Just before we not baby. Why are you saying wakatora votes Kimberley?
Yes.
Orangari baby Kimberley for mtora iwe.
Amtiziyo tangari baby ranga na dichini na basa nazo.
Ndivongo mtora. Along the way, wakazo fall in love party patch.
I didn't realize that Kimberley is not really Taura Nezaki. You know, people like to paint it. Probably because I was a Buddha band, Taura, defending herself and everything. But that is a very sweet angel. She's so calm. Muno to respect her. And I can't blame her. I can't blame her for falling victim to very wicked. I'm going to this up a list here and now. Life. Unfortunately, that's what happens to good people.
Yeah.
And you don't about that.
But do you love Kimberley?
No.
You don't love Kimberley?
I do not.
Is your wife?
No.
Are you still married to Kimberley?
Yes.
You stay in the same house?
No. Yes.
No, which one is
I have 3 houses. It depends which house you're talking about.
No, wherever you stay. Like wherever. Let's say you urara uko. Kwa kunarara kwa chiko kuna Kimberley. Ununguna Kimberley. That's my question.
Yeah.
Remember me is not Kimberley always. Okay, but you don't love her.
I don't love Kimberley.
Did you tell her that you don't love her anymore?
She knows. She's always known.
Love her?